Thank you.
Good afternoon. Let me take
Thank
your seat.
you, sir.
Okay, you're Grace May Pellen.
Yes, sir.
You are applying for a food and beverage staff position.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself with your educational background and work experiences?
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Please allow me to introduce you myself. I am Grace Mipalan and I'm 22 years old and I am a fresh graduate with the degree in hospitality management at Visayas State University. And I recently completed my internship in the food and beverage in Shangri-La Mactan Resort and Spa in Cebu City. So during my internship, I gained hands-on experience on customer service, food handling, and teamwork. So I am eager to apply what I learned and continue learning and grow more on professionalism in the hospitality industry.
Okay. So, being an intern here in the hotel, what makes you think that um, you want to apply here? Being an intern here previously in Shangri-La, what makes you, what motivates you or inspires you to work here after being an intern?
Um, my skills and my dream and goals motivates me sir to work harder and um, learn more about the job and the specific work that I can apply during my um, stay in the hotel.
Okay. Now, being a staff here in Shangri-La Hotel,
Yes, sir.
uh, in the food and beverage department, how would you maintain professionalism at all times, even under pressure?
So I maintain professionalism by stay calm and focused and even um, polite in even in the under pressure because I prioritize my task and communicate clearly with the team and handle challenges step by step and ensuring that the guests always receive the respectful and attentive respect.
Okay. So, do you think you can handle the pressure or the?
Yes, I can say that I can handle the pressure during the time, sir, because I know myself that I have a very long patience and I can communicate with them properly and I can assist them whatever they wanted to.
Okay. Now, why should Shangri-La consider you as part of its service team?
I believe I would fit in the Shangri-La service team because I am eager to learn and I am hardworking also and I can communicate the guests and providing the guests with the best service and as a fresh graduate I bring a positive attitude, respect for the teamwork and willingness to learn also and follow the high standards that the Shangri-La is known for.
Okay. Now, Shangri-La is very well known for being a five-star hotel,
Yes, sir.
and this position is very competitive. What sets you apart from the other applicants?
Specifically, sir, I can describe myself as a unique person. That then also I can compare myself to others because we have different standards, we have different attitudes. So I can promise and I can promise to myself that I will just work harder, smarter, and I can I can be adaptable. Everyone in the environment in my environment.
Okay. Now, if we are going to hire you as a staff, where do you see yourselves 5 years from now?
I see myself 5 years from now in the field that I been dreaming of since I was young, and I can see myself working in the prestigious five-star hotel,
Mhm.
and also I where Shangri-La is I been dreaming of, and I can see myself that I will grow and learn more and ano to, I learn and I will surely grow.
Okay. So, do you think you'll still be on the same position, or you're going to be promoted in 5 years time?
I will promise to myself that as I said, that I will work harder, and as the time pass by, I know that everything will be come in time, and the Lord will know how I He alone can know everything that I will be in the future.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Upon reviewing your CV and your letter and your responses in this interview, I think um, we have a positive response, or you will be having a positive chance for you to be part of the service team of Shangri-La. In 3 to 5 business working days, our team, our human resource team, will contact you through email or through your phone and give you an update of about your application. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, bro.